Hello, WordPress website creators and owners. When your business website is live and up and you are planning to promote your business to grow your business, you need a complete tracking and analysis of your web pages, your affiliate links, or the packages you are offering. Like this is a tour and travel website, and it has multiple packages, and the pages and the CTA buttons are here. Like you need a user friendly way and silent way through which you can track everything what is going on your web pages, what how your links are performing, how your affiliate marketing is going on. Right. So there is a solution called ClickWhale through which you can really track everything related to the link sorting, link shortener, or the clicks that is going to be happen or being done at your website, or even some external links. So with ClickWhale, the best WordPress link manager, you can easily manage, sort and analyze links on your WordPress website, all while using your own domain. So it is very important you are not going to use any external third party domains to check all these things, to track all these things. And you can watch this specific video available on the ClickWhale professional website, I mean official website, and you can play this. So I'm not playing this just to avoid the duplicacy or so, but yes, it is available here. So this video is self-explanatory in itself, so I'm not going to repeat the things. It is already available on YouTube. Right. So when we are talking about the tracking, you can track everything, and it is really necessary when you are planning to promote, or even when you are running affiliate marketing like things, and you are not dependent, you don't want to be dependent on third party or expensive solution. So ClickWhale is available for free uses as well. In the WordPress plugin section, you can start using the free version, and the pro version of course gives you more features, and you can check the pricing and all. Right. So this is not a promotional video. My objective is just to show you all the features, all the advanced features that you can use with the ClickWhale, and it is considered to be the number one link tracking plugin for WordPress. Like this is a demo instance, and we can see here there are multiple links, and the target URL, the categories are here, and the clicks are very clear. So if we check the stats here, so like this is some stats, and with so it is not actually available because there are no clicks, but yes, we can go for all the stats. So these stats are really going to help you in understanding the path of click and the pattern of click. Right. Further, we have settings. In the setting area, we are fine to set the basic things what we are going to do with the plugin, how you want to configure the plugin for your specific website. Like in the general setting, you can allow the access label, you can uh, ki- uh, set the QR code color and the QR code background. So it also uh, generates the QR code. Please enter your personal affiliate links if you are a member of. Okay, that is fine. So the tracking settings are here, the link manager settings. So how you want to manage the links, like redirection type, you can say like 301 in most common, and the link target maybe in new tab or in the same tab. No follow links you can set here, just in case if you want to set it should not be follow. Sponsored links and the link prefix you can set here. So this is important. And the keyword auto linker is also like you can disable the auto linker, and further the replacement limits are here, and replace keywords on archive pages, and also settings can be done from here. And these are very advanced settings, and you can go with the default things like tracking codes and all. And right in the settings area, you'll get all these things. So I'm showing you the pro part of this plugin. So in the pre versions may not be available all the settings or all the features. Like tools are here. So data to migrate, the reset and the import options and the export options. Further, with the application, you can earn some bucks with the uh, ClickWhale links. Now, coming back to the links. So you can easily create the tracking links and you can add new links here. So in the link, you can write a title, the slug can be changed, and you need to set the target URL that you are actually willing to target. And you can copy this slug and the URL to share on the social media and everywhere that you want to share. And it in the internal website, it will be tracked. You can set all the parameters like redirection type, the link target, the links no follow, and further you can select the category. So you can create the categories here, and the created categories will be reflected here. So like 4 categories was there, so it is here. Further, and the most useful things that I believe. So the link pages are here, and you can create the link pages that you actually want to link the page, and the settings and the contents you can set. So you can use the ClickWhale links itself. So you can check all these things, the custom links you can use. So like uh, which pages and which area you want to link, the styles and the SEOs and the social profiles. It is really good. So you can check the page what you are tracking here. So like it is set for home page. So it is like okay. So it is going to the default link. Okay. So you can set all the things for adding a link on the page, and further this link can be copied here. Now I'll take you to the actual installation. Like I have already installed the plugin. So I shown you the demo instance from the plugin developer itself. You can also access the same. Here is the link. You can follow this link and create a demo instance just to understand things, how it works and how you are going to configure all these things. So you can have the demo for free, of course, before buying this plugin. And if we talk about the actual installation, this is my actual installation. So what I wish to show you, the links are here. And when we are getting a link, we can add a new link, and there is a keyword auto linker here. So we can even track the keyword that is being used at our content, at our website content, and we can even track the keywords what has been used, how many times the keywords are being clicked on, or so UTM parameters can be created. The link scanner are here, and it is really going to be very helpful in analytics and for analysis purposes. So you can track everything. And when you are generating the link, so you'll also have the QR code here. Like I can put any link here, and we can save the thing, and we can download the QR code. For the QR code and can be used everywhere, wherever you want. So this is going to be really a full featured solution for tracking links, the keyword for and even for the UTMs and the tracking codes. You can add new tracking codes here. So if you have, and you can title the tracking code Google Tag Manager code. You can place the code here, and you can where you want to add this code. So tracking code can be here, standard tracking code tracking. So this is very like you can apply the tracking code on the whole website. So it is really very helpful, and it also eliminates other plugins that you may be using for these purposes. So it is all together, and it is really going to be helpful, and you can start with the free. So it is all good, and I feel this plugin solution, the ClickWhale, is the best again. And there are many videos available on the YouTube itself, so I'm not going to repeat the things and the tutorials you can find. So my objective is very clear, just to let you know about the solution. And in the next video, I'm coming with more for you. So keep watching, keep building. Don't miss to subscribe. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.